Close range. Yeah. Alright, this is the G4 slide comp from Strike Industries. This particular model is for my Gen 4 Glock 17 9mm. This is basically how it gets installed. This is just a quick diagram. This is the first time that I install it myself. I had it installed when I first got it. The guys at the store hooked me up, put it on for me. I fired it and tested it, and this thing is awesome. But basically, mine is a Gen 4 Glock 17. It comes with a Gen 3 Glock 17 guide rod. It comes with a tool. And comes with the compensator. Basically what you do is you unscrew these 6 bolts or screws so this can slide out, right? Then you grab your glove. Oh, I lost my tool. Hold on. Okay. So then this has already been safety checked. It's my alien holster. Let me just safety check it again. Nothing. Okay. So basically you remove this. You remove this. You put this bad boy over here. Like so. Put this in like so. Once you have it in, make sure you got it in all the way, and then put your screws in. Do not tighten your screws, just kind of set the screw in, and then once you have them in, then you go back and tighten them. This way it doesn't pull the device in any way. It should be centered on there. Hopefully you guys can see this because I have my GoPro on my chest. So this is the hardest part of the installation. It's already on there solid. Next, so I don't need this anymore. This goes back in the bag so I don't lose it. And then the spring goes back in the bag so I don't lose it. And then we go and we put this guide rod back in here. Boom. Let's make it sure that's all the way in there. That's it. Installed. Ready to rock. You can also reload, because this is what the guy in the gun shop showed me. He's like, hey, it has the perfect length, so in case you do need to reload, you can, and it'll, so there you go. The only problem is now I gotta cut my holster because it doesn't fit in the holster. But that's how you install the compensator. Got some federal aluminum. Gun's hot. Close range. Yeah.